Okay, number 3 is quite simple. It says to write the equation of the line with a slope of 5/9 and a y-intercept of -7. Remember that the slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And so if my slope is 5/9 and my y-intercept is -7, this would give me the equation y equals 5/9 x minus 7. Okay, so that is all we need to do for number 3. Number 4 is also going to be asking us to write an equation, but it doesn't give us the slope and the y-intercept like we had on number 3. Instead, we're going to need to use the information that we have on the graph in order to find it. The first thing that I would notice right away is that it does give me the point where this line crosses the y-axis. Right? This point right here would be the y-intercept, which means that my y-intercept is going to be at 1. So when I write my equation, I'm going to have y equals whatever my slope is, I don't know that yet, but whatever my slope is, plus 1. Because of this point here, that's going to give me a 1 for my y-intercept. To find the slope, we're going to need to use the slope formula, which says that m, or the slope, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I can use these 2 points that it gives me on the graph in order to find that. So it doesn't matter which point I choose as which. I'm going to say that our y-intercept will be x1 and y1. Let me see if I can make that look like a better y so I don't confuse you. This is going to be x1 and y1. And then the other point, the 4, 3, that will be our x2 and our y2. Okay. So now all we need to do is put these numbers into my slope formula. M is going to be equal to, our y2 is 3 minus y1 is 1. So y2 minus y1 will be 3 minus 1. On the bottom, x2 is set as 4 minus x1 is 0. So now we just need to simplify this fraction. We're going to have 3 minus 1, which is 2. 4 minus 0 is 4. So we have 2 over 4, or 2/4. And we can simplify that to 1/2. So that is the slope right here, is 1/2. So that is what I would need to put in place of my slope in my equation. Looks like I need a smaller eraser to do that. So that's what I'm going to put in place of my slope here, is 1/2. And then I'm done.